So in this video, you'll learn how to turn on Nearby Share on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36 and A56. So the first step is to simply open the Settings app, and then you want to select Connected Devices. From here, tap on Quick Share, then go to the section labeled Nearby Sharing. In order for you to enable it, start by selecting Who Can Share With You. And then once you've selected it, you have two different options if you want to enable Nearby Share. You can choose to select Everyone, and this will only be available for 10 minutes unless you deselect that option. And once you've done that, you'll have successfully enabled Nearby Share, and people can connect to your device so that they can share with you items. Alternatively, you can always choose to set it to contacts only, which means that anybody who's in your phone book can share with you items. However, if they're not in the phone book, then they won't be able to share with you anything, which means it's stopping people who you don't know from sharing items to you. And then once you're happy with your selection, remember to tap on Done to save and apply the changes. And once you've done that, you'll see Nearby Share has been enabled successfully. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.